We all know the feeling. Drained, exhausted, running on fumes. It's like you're pushing through a fog, just trying to get through the day. It's like your battery is at 1% and you're just trying to make it to the next charger. Every task feels monumental and every step feels heavy. But what if I told you that you could recharge your own batteries? You can. Imagine feeling refreshed and ready to take on anything. It's called energy renewal. And it's the key to living life to the fullest. It's about finding joy in the little things and having the stamina to enjoy them. Energy renewal is more than just getting enough sleep. It's about holistic well-being. It's about taking care of your body and mind so you can tackle whatever challenges come your way. It's about nourishing yourself in every possible way. It's about feeling energized, focused, and ready to go. Imagine waking up each day with a sense of purpose and vitality. Think of it like this: your body is a machine, and like any machine, it needs the right fuel and maintenance to run smoothly. And like any machine, it needs the right fuel and maintenance to run smoothly. This means eating well, staying active, and taking time to relax. Energy renewal is about giving your body what it needs to perform at its best. It's about balance and harmony. So if you're ready to ditch the fatigue and embrace a life full of energy and vitality, then read on. Let's explore how you can renew your energy and transform your life. We've all been there, that feeling of complete exhaustion. It's like you're dragging yourself through the day just trying to make it to bedtime. But did you know that low energy can have a serious impact on your life? When you're tired, you're not just physically drained, you're mentally drained too. Your focus suffers, your mood plummets, and you're more likely to make mistakes. Low energy can also affect your relationships. You might find yourself getting irritable with loved ones or withdrawing from social situations. The good news is that it doesn't have to be this way. By understanding how energy renewal works, you can start making changes to boost your energy levels and live your best life. Let's get scientific for a moment. Understanding how our bodies and minds utilize energy can help us make better choices. Our bodies are incredible machines, constantly converting food into energy. This process is essential for our survival and well-being. This energy, measured in calories, powers everything we do, from the simplest actions like breathing to the most strenuous activities like running a marathon. But it's not just about calories. The quality of the calories we consume matters significantly. The types of food we eat play a crucial role in our energy levels. Carbohydrates provide quick energy, giving us that immediate boost we sometimes need, while protein and healthy fats offer sustained fuel, helping us maintain energy over longer periods. Our minds need energy too. Mental energy is just as important as physical energy. Mental energy, often linked to brain chemicals like dopamine and serotonin, affects our focus, mood, and motivation. These chemicals play a vital role in how we feel and perform daily tasks. Understanding this mind-body connection is key to unlocking sustainable energy. By recognizing how our physical and mental states are intertwined, we can better manage our overall well-being. It's not just about what we put in our bodies, but also about maintaining a balanced lifestyle. We need to manage stress, prioritize sleep, and ensure we get enough rest to recharge our bodies and minds. Engaging in activities that nourish our minds, such as hobbies and spending time in nature, is equally important. By taking a holistic approach, we can truly fuel both our body and mind. Section 4, Habits for High Energy. Power up your routine. Building a high-energy lifestyle doesn't require drastic changes. It's about incorporating simple, sustainable habits into your daily routine. First up, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This allows your body and mind to recharge and repair. Next, get moving. Exercise is a natural energy booster. Even a brisk walk can increase blood flow, improve mood, and leave you feeling more energized. Hydration is key. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and brain fog. Carry a water bottle and sip throughout the day. Finally, manage stress. Chronic stress can be a major energy drain. Explore stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature. Section 5, Eat for Energy. Move for more, fueling your day. This section is all about how to keep your energy levels high throughout the day by making smart choices with your diet and exercise. Remember those calories we talked about? They are the fuel your body needs to function. Choosing the right ones can make or break your energy levels. Opt for nutrient-dense foods that provide long-lasting energy. Ditch the processed foods and sugary drinks. They lead to energy crashes and can make you feel sluggish. Instead, fuel your body with whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, which are packed with vitamins and minerals, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. These foods help maintain steady blood sugar levels. These foods provide sustained energy and essential nutrients. Don't forget about movement. Regular physical activity is key. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. It boosts your metabolism and keeps you energized. Whether it's a gym session, lifting weights, or running on a treadmill, a hike in the woods, or a dance class, find what you love. Find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your week. Consistency is key to maintaining energy. Remember, energy renewal is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes. Start by incorporating these tips into your daily life and watch your energy levels soar. You'll feel more vibrant and ready to tackle whatever comes your way.